day guys, welcome once again. My name is Tise, and today we're going to learn how to design a certificate. And without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to bring in letter paper size. So that's the size we're going to use, letter. So let's get started. At the top right is your menu, so you go there and then you click on create new. So we go down, we select, we check, and then we have paper here, which I highlight here, and then we're going to simply click OK. And then from here, we don't have anything that we want here. These are letterheads and lots of crap things, so we don't want that. We're just going to start from scratch. Okay, so let's get started. So we click create from blank, but you can see if we use the zoom button and we zoom out, you see that this is portrait, and this is not the type of certificate we want, because this is something like an award night. Okay, so we want something portrait, you understand? So we need to rotate it portrait. How to rotate this is simply by going to the menu here at the top right, and then you click on canvas size. So canvas size, we're going to change, that's the paper size, you understand? So we click OK, and then we click here, we change the figure to 22000. Okay, and then we change this one to 1700. Remember these figures where we just have to exchange the figures, you understand? So we simply click resize canvas. So we're done with that, and then if you click on the zoom button again and then you pinch, you can discover that this thing is now landscape. So first of all, we need to start right away. So we're starting everything here from scratch. So let's get started. We go to the background, we choose is white, so we let it be there, but then we click OK. That's this mark sign, we click it, and then we say we go to we want the angle from this side to bend, you understand? So we're putting it at 90. all right, we jump one, and then that is the top right, the top left, we now put it at 90 as well. So when we put it at 90, we have to click elsewhere, and then we come back to this logo side, and then we say add logo. We go to shapes, and then we pick the rectangular fill, and then we simply fill this thing and give it white. We duplicate it, we take it to the right. We make sure that this rectangle is filled, you understand, with white. You will not know what I'm doing now, but don't worry, you're going to know what I'm doing. So when you're done with this, you have to save it, and when you're saving it, save it as transparent background. Okay, so we save it, and then we say we put it like shape. Okay, so it's just a shape that we want to use to make use of letter. So you can simply create a new, or you can just simply undo all these things for the unfolded, or you don't need to even waste your time. Just go to the background and then click next. Go to the background, click next, and then return all these values to 0. Okay, so now you can agree with me that we are almost done here. So you can we need this, we change it to orange. Okay, we change it to orange. Should we? No. Let's change the background color to orange. Let's use background color to orange. Okay, so this one, then we have to turn to something like this. Okay, so complete contrasting colors, and then we make use of it. we line it properly to the bottom left, and then we duplicate it, we take it to the top right, and then we align it properly. The same thing, we align it properly so that so I don't like this. Delete, resize it, and then take it to the bottom left again, and then duplicate, take it again to the right. Okay, so we can actually, let's increase this by 190, and then we do this, we do same thing. So we give it 190, then we shift it, we align it properly the way we want it. Okay, we're designing a certificate, so don't ask me what is this guy trying to achieve. You're gonna see. Okay, all right, I'm okay with the placement. All right, so now remember we drop. Okay, let's lock all these shapes. Okay, click, double tap, and click lock/unlock, and then you see a padlock. Click on this one, double tap, and then do the same thing. Okay, so from there, even if you mistakenly touch it, nothing will happen. Okay, it will not move. So now that's the advantage of locking. So we go to next, we bring in another shape. That shape, remember the shape that we saved when we started, that's the white shape. We bring it, and then we say align vertical and horizontal. Okay, so you click on that, and then the size, you increase it like this, and then we're done with that shape. So we have to start our text. So we say let's bring in our logo for the night award. Okay, so let's say this is the award, Africa Awards. Okay, so which can we use? Let's find something nice. Okay, Africa Awards. Okay, so I'm changing this, I'm changing this, the darker one, the color that looks darker, change it, give it that orange hat, but then I'll drag it down a little, then I'll go to the other one that is light, and then I'll give it, and I'll leave it like that. I will not change it. Then the middle one that is different color, which is this, I'll now give it white. Okay, so now click and I'll drag it and make it small. I'll take it to the top. All right, when I take it there, let's lock this shape. Double tap and click lock so that it doesn't disturb us. So you now said Africa Awards 2021. Okay, so now let's let's get this running. Certificate. Okay, certificate of achievement. Certificate of achievement. Okay, so let's find another font. Let's try. I think I like that one. I'll go again. I'll use the same thing. I think I like this font, so this one I think I'll have to use something like fonts that look a little bit. Okay, I think I'll just use this. Alright, I'll use that. So let's give it, what font size will be okay? Let's check something like 90 and see. Alright, let's check it out if 90 can work out for us. So how do I change this? How am I changing all these things? So when you click on the text, simply see this first TT, double TT. So you click on it and then the font size will appear. So you can enter the number and then type OK. So let's check it out. So this one, we change it to that color, this very one, this red. So to make sure we are doing measurement, we align it center, and then we can take this one, shift it back. So once we have shifted it back, I think we are on our way to glory. Okay, so now we go to, okay, now the content. This certificate is proudly presented to, okay, is proudly presented to, I'll use my name, you know that, right? So I'll use my name and let's say for his outstanding performance, okay, during our global economics and leadership summit. Okay, let's see, this is 2 lines. Perfect. So we now go with John. Okay, I'll just be using any name that come along. I'll just be using whatever that comes. Peters. No, Peters. Mad. Okay. So we said president, and then we say secretary. Okay, so I'm just typing all these things so that once I want to arrange them, then arrangement will now be easier for me, so I can also draw a line and keep. Okay, so drawing a line, can also draw a line and keep. So but I'll make it a straight line with this. All right, so this certificate is presented to, I'll change it to, what's this? I'll change it to 75. Yep. So this one too, I'll change it to 75. Okay. So as I change it to 75, I think I need to add something. So summit in Johannesburg, South Africa. Okay, so that I can get what I want. Oh, I think I shouldn't. What was there was actually perfect. Okay, so 75, and then we align it center. We come here, we align it center as well. So this, okay, this one, I think I'll change it. I'll say, sorry, I know fonts, that's why I'm just using what I want, so don't follow me around. I'll use 100. No, 100 too small. I'll use 150. Okay, 150 is still too small. I'll use 175. Good. So this, we align it center, center, center. We put it on black. We put it on black. Okay. And then this one, we put it on the fourth font, but then it's going to be black. Okay, so put it down because it's going down definitely. This one too, fourth font. What did you carry? Let's see, 50. You too, you carry 50, and then you carry black. You two go down, and then you go down. What font size will you carry? 75. You two will carry 75, and then change it to this, and then change it to black. Okay, so we can use this one. No, we can duplicate it and then use one of it to measure our alignment. Okay, so we can drop it here to be measuring our alignment. All right, so I think good. Okay, okay, good. Align it center. So from there, this one we have to go to the extreme No. Let us make it stay with the text. All right, not outside the text. And then there is another one here. We also stay with the text. So we are done with that alignment. So we take it down. We take it down. We now put the Peter under it. We put this one under this one. So we can put president here, and then we put secretary here. Okay, and then we use another distance here, a logo that can give us that honorary something. So let's get one, the certificate logo. Okay, how can I get one? I use this one. I like it, but not much, right? It's like it's taking me up to half an hour to design this. Wow, this is not easy, man. Okay, there is something I'm looking for, the certificate icon. Good, let's use this. Let's use this. So this one will be in the middle. Wow. So if you're in the middle, how come we're not getting it right here? So which means you're not. Okay, we can return it like that, and then from here we can then say okay, colors. This one white, this one same orange. Now we remove this one, remove it, and then we say what's it called, Saturday February, no, 22nd 2021, and then this thing is done. So we are free to take it down a little, and then take this one too down, so that this text can have much space. All right, so this one we make it center again. Okay, so guys, this is how to design a certificate, and you're done with this. So if you're not okay with this, you can actually change it. Okay, so you can actually change it. So you can actually change it. Let's say you want something like you want something like this, 2021. You can actually change it. So good. So I think this is much better. This is an improvement. So we can change the Africa to our normal distance. So for there, like that, we now have a better format. Okay, so the logo, take it down a little, just a little bit. Oh, it's too down. Take it up twice, and then so this is just properly arranged right now. So guys, this is how to design our first certificate design. So let's unlock all this. Okay, let's unlock all this. Okay, this one was not locked. Oh, okay, unlocked. So guys, our certificate is done and can be given to anyone, presented to anybody anywhere in the world. So guys, thank you for following up. Thank you for the next for the time, and thank you for everything. For the follow-up, I think there is a little bit amendment here, so we can. Okay, so guys, thank you for all the things we have done here. We have achieved great, and I hope you're going to design this same thing here. So thank you guys, see you next time. Bye bye.